Hey, future millionaires! Welcome to Wall Street Trends, where we turn boring money into passive income machines. Ever dream of getting paid every month just for owning stocks? No boss, no commute, just cold hard cash landing in your account like clockwork. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to build a dividend portfolio that pays you monthly, even if you're a total beginner. Stick around because I'll share my personal stock picks, mistakes to avoid, and how to turn 100 into 1,000 per month in passive income. Oh, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We drop life-changing money hacks every week. I earn 3,500 per month doing nothing. Here's how. Sounds like a fantasy? It's not. But here's the catch. Most people fail because they chase get-rich-quick stocks or don't diversify. In this video, I'll walk you through the same 7-step system I used to build a stress-free dividend portfolio that's paid me over $45,000 in the last 2 years. Let's get started. Step 1 is simple. Focus on monthly dividend stocks. Most companies pay quarterly, but we want that cash every month. My top picks? REITs, they own real estate, and ETFs, baskets of stocks. For example, 1. Realty Income. Called the Monthly Dividend Company, they've paid dividends for 30-plus years even in recessions. 2. Main Street Capital. A baby Berkshire that pays monthly and grows your payout yearly. 3rd, SPHD or Devo. ETFs that spread your risk across 50-plus stocks. But wait, don't just chase high yields. A 10% dividend might mean the company's in trouble. Aim for 3 to 6% yields with a history of raising payouts. I'll link my free stock checklist below. Step 2. Diversify like a pro. No boring math. Think of your portfolio like a pizza. You wouldn't eat only pepperoni, right? Spread your money across 5 to 7 sectors. Here's my lazy strategy. 25% real estate, apartments, stores, and STAG, warehouses for Amazon. 20% energy, EPD, pipelines, and ENB, reliable dividends for 27 years. 20% healthcare, ABBV, drugs, and OHI. 15% tech, AAPL, and MSFT. Yes, even tech pays dividends now. 20% ETFs, JEPI or SCHD for safety. This mix keeps you safe. If oil crashes, your real estate and healthcare stocks still pay you. Easy peasy. Step 3. DRIP equals your secret weapon. Want to know my number 1 wealth hack? DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Instead of taking cash, your dividends automatically buy more shares. Over time, this snowballs. For example, if you invest $10,000 in 6% yield, and DRIP for 10 years, you'll own twice as many shares, earning $1,200 per year in dividends. Apps like M1 Finance or Webull do this for free. Set it once, forget it, and let compounding work its magic. Step 4. Avoid these 3 dividend traps. Okay, real talk. I've made dumb mistakes, so you don't have to. Avoid these dividend traps. Payout ratio. Over 90%. If a company spends 90% plus of profits on dividends, they'll cut it eventually. Looking at you, $ORC. Debt zombies. High debt plus rising interest rates equals disaster. Check debt-to-equity ratios on Yahoo Finance. No growth. If dividends haven't grown in 5 years, it's a red flag. Stick to companies like PG, 65 years of dividend growth, or KO, 60-plus years. Boring is beautiful here. Step 5. Build your monthly paycheck calendar. Let's turn dividends into a monthly paycheck. Here's my exact setup. Week 1, pays around the 1st. Week 2, STAG, mid-month. Week 3, GLAD or GAIN. Week 4, PDI or UTF. Pro tip, use a free tool like Dividend Calendar to track payouts. Now you've got bills covered on the 1st and fun money by month end. Step 6. Start small, scale fast, even with $100. 1. Pick 2 ETFs, Devo 50 and SPHD 50. 2. Add $50 per month. Use apps like Robinhood or Public to buy fractional shares. 3rd, reinvest every dividend. DRIP turns 100 into 1,000 faster than you think. By year 5, with just $200 per month, you could earn $500 plus per month passively. That's a part-time job you don't have to show up for. Step 7. Monitor your portfolio. Last step, spend 10 minutes every month to check. Dividend growth. Are payouts increasing? Use Seeking Alpha alerts. Stock health. Is the company profitable? Look for rising revenue on Morningstar. Rebalance, sell losers and add to winners. And for example, I sold AVGO, growing payouts. Easy. Conclusion. There you have it. The exact blueprint to build a dividend portfolio that pays you every month. Will you get rich overnight? No, 5 to 10 years? You could be earning thousands of dollars a month while you sleep. If this video helped you, do me a favor, smash that like button. It tells YouTube you want more passive income tips. Subscribe to Wall Street Trends. We're dropping a free dividend stock tracker next week for subscribers only. Comment Dividend Army below. I'll reply to your questions and feature my favorite comments in the next video. Remember, the richest people don't work for money. They make money work for them. Start today, stay consistent. This is not financial advice. Investments carry risk. Do your own research. See you in our next video.